knee there on the right, which is it's pretty gruesome. So the thing with this condition, PFOA, is that it's highly prevalent in the osteoarthritis population, and yet there was no existing way, including embracing, to reduce forces in that joint and to alleviate pain in a conservative manner, right? So patients were basically left with solutions like, losing weight, reducing activity, maybe going to PT, using pain medication with variable results, or a total knee replacement. And for a lot of the population, a total knee replacement is not an option, either if you're too young or you have other potential risks and comorbidities. So what we had developed, we call it the Ascender knee brace. And again, this functionality has been enabled by the unique features that we're able to 3D print, including some of the inner channels. So looks a bit like a standard knee brace, but what's new about it is that this tensioning system can dial up the amount of support in the knee, and that can generate up to 40 pounds of assistance. So what that does is it assists the quadricep, reduces forces within the joint, and we see as a result pretty significant pain relief. And of course, we've leveraged 3D printed technology to produce these, custom at scale and using some informed automation. So won't go too much into this. I want to focus on the additive aspects of the technology, but again, the way this technology works is when you say go up and down stairs, there's a major force concentrated within your patellofemoral compartment. And that's mainly because the knee acts like a fulcrum. So it's actually a multiple of your body weight depending on the angle of flexion. What the Ascender knee brace does is it directly counteracts that force to assist the quadricep and therefore reduce pressure within the patellofemoral compartment. So it's essentially analogous to, say, losing 40 pounds. The key here is that the user can adjust it to their activity level and rapidly disengage it if needed. But again, some of the other benefits we're seeing, I will say that compliance in the orthotics industry has been one of the major challenges and something that has led to a lack of adoption, a lack of clinical efficacy. And so, by combining high strength, lightweight materials, we use PA12 nylon produced by the MGF system, the custom conforming aspects of the device. We have really high satisfaction levels with our patient and very high compliance levels. We actually see, over 80% of our patients are using this at least 3 days a week. So that's highly unusual and bracing. Again, we're a data forward company. That's not always the case in this industry. It can be challenging to generate the well-powered, well-controlled studies in the OA population. And so we've actually seen, based on a KOOS study, knee osteoarthritis outcome score, that our device is relieving pain 3 to 4 times better than one of the market leading OA braces. And really we attribute that to the completely new function of the device that's actually, again, mechanically unloading the joint. So we're seeing great pain scores. This is a study that's going to publish hopefully later this year with Dr. Yankee at Midwest Orthopedics at Rush. So